Has the power button on your Oppo A11k given up for good? Is the button no longer responding, but you urgently need to restart your phone? Hold on. Don't rush to a repair shop and don't waste your time or money. I'll show you a clever way to control your phone without pressing the power button even once. This method works. Reliably 100% success rate. Just one thing to keep in mind. On different Android versions and firmware builds, some menu names may look a little different from the ones on my screen. But that's no big deal. You'll easily find the right settings because I'll explain the logic behind the process, not just tell you where to tap. Let's get started.